Wow, in this video I'm going to be showing you a simple strategy that have 95% win rate. Yes, you hear me right, 95% win rate, and you are going to be cashing out every day and winning profit. Hey, shut up, I say shut up, I said shut up. These are just lies, these are just lies upon lies, and just a trap. These are just trap IP. So let me tell you the real truth. In this video I'm going to be talking about my bitter story, my difficulty, what I have gone through in this trading journey. This year made me 4 years, I say 4 years of my trading journey. So I have passed through a lot and a lot. I'm going to be sharing you my story. I'm going to be telling you the right mindset you should have as you are preparing to continue in this journey. So that is, and I'm going to be showing my last episode. I talk about what I'm expecting in the next week. So I did a chart analysis. What will bring me to that chart analysis for the next week is because of I want to show you an example how we place order. We are talking about all the order, how you place your trade in the market, and I did the price analysis. You can see that what I analyzed did not go through, it did not happen, and I'm going to be telling you why it did not go through. And in that video I point out what will make it not happen, and that's it. And it happened the way I said it and everything. So we are learning. So I just feel that since I have made the analysis, I should complete what I started. So that is what I always owe myself when it's possible, and I'm going to be showing you my trades. So it's not that I do analysis and without taking my trade, without just like that. I'm going to be showing that I do what I say. So, and at the end of this video, you should watch the end of the video, because at the end of the video I'm going to be having a bonus gift for everyone. So and before we start, let us play the intro. So welcome back from the intro. So today, this lesson is the end of the beginner's course, the harsh truth for success, my bitter story. So let us continue So this was what we predicted last week. This is what I was saying. I predicted last week, and what I'm looking to trade this week that just passed. So you can see that I predicted that if price broke this high, then market will go up. Then you can either use a buy entry, buy stop, which we explain what is buy stop in the previous episode. If you have not watched it, go and watch the previous episode so that you will not be lost. And I say that some people can wait for retrace and use a buy limit, which is this one, buy limit. And I'm predicting that price will get to this level, and then I'll put a sell limit. Either you can put a sell limit for price to go to this daily level. That is what I predicted. So what really happened? What really happened? What really happened? Let us go to next week. What really happened? So So this is what happened this week. This week you can see that price did not break. If you see price did not break this level, price, so something about, you can see price did not break level, but price went to break the down level. You can see in trading analysis, that's why I talk about market structure. You can see that price did not break to the upside, so you can see that that's why my prediction did not even start, because price did not break this high. So since price did not break this high, there's nothing that I can do. It did not trigger my analysis. So you can see price instead break the low. You see price broke the low. So before I explain anything, let us go to the chart. Let us go to the chart and see what really happened. Let me explain what happened, what really happened. So the thing is, I told you that I need a break of this level first. After the break of this level starts up everything. But so what happened? Price did not break this level, but he went to break the low. You see, price broke the low. This is the low, this is the low, and this is the high. Price broke the low, and you can see with this candle the low. That's why I put this vertical line, so that I will know, so that as I'm going out and in of my chart, I will not have that. I will not be like, I will know where I ended, where the market structure broke. So I told you guys that I use candlestick market structure. That is what happened. So we can see candlestick break of that level. That's why I put this vertical line. Another candlestick break. There is a low here. There's a low. If you can see it, if you can see it, you can see some gray short candle here. Level. Excuse me. Let me zoom. Okay, you cannot zoom in again. So there was another 1 hour candlestick break. That's why I put this vertical line. You can see another low here. There was a break here. That's why you see another vertical line here. So price refused to break to the upside. So now price is going down and down. So price, you can see everything. You can see what price continue to do. Price continue to break. There was a double break here to the downside. If I zoom in, so you can see this level, candlestick break it. That's why I put another vertical line. You can see a low, candlestick break it. That's why I put another vertical line. So seeing that price is doing all these things, how did I trade? So some people might say, hey, your prediction is wrong and you have been wrong. I don't control price. That's why I told you that everything starts, my prediction will always play. The thing about analyzing the chart, you must put a condition of what will happen that will kickstart your prediction and what will disturb your condition. I told you in that video that my prediction start will only take place after price broke this level, and price did not break. Price went and broke the low. Breaking this low, refused to break this high, breaking the low disqualify my prediction, showing that my prediction cannot come to pass. That's why I was saying to you in one of the episode that any strategy you want to follow, market structure must be involved. Market structure must, you say how market structure help me. And even if you know that our final destination for a buy was, let me see, our final destination for buy was this level. I told you this level inside the bus. You see price, everything price did. Price use non-farm people to carry us into this bus again. You can see it. So what did I do? How did I take? Even if my prediction did not come to pass and price went the opposite direction, market structure allowed me to enter a trade, and I entered 2 trades. Let me open the trade. Let me show the trade position. Show the trade history. You can see this is trade history. Let me on it. I have already on it. You see trade history. You will now see my trade, my position. You can see I took 3 position, lost 1, gain 2. Why did I enter this first trade? See, I entered here and came out exactly why exactly the is it not like wonderful that I got at exactly where price reverse back. Why I enter here? Because market structure shifted here in the 15 minutes, and I know that market structure is going to like price going to reverse above this level. Why did I not take a sell? Because the market structure to the downside is like exhausting. That is, price is going to like its limit. That's why I don't want to take a sell. So that's why I don't want to take a sell. So I took a buy here. I took a buy here again that I was stopped at. You can see this arrow. If you don't understand this arrow, let me show you this arrow. The entry, you can see the entry, the first rate, the arrow was showing upside. That means a buy. So it went to the upside. The second entry, you can see the arrow facing up, but price went to the downside. That was a loss. The third entry, you can see the arrow facing up, which signify a buy. Price went up and I got at this place. You can see. So I know that price is going to the upside, more to the upside, but there was no farm period. So I took I was able to I got at before the non-farm period. So I don't want to get into non-farm period. That's why I took my profit. So that was you can see that even if my analysis did not come to pass by price breaking the 1 hour level, I waited and there was another opportunity for me to enter. So that is what happened. Within the week. So let us go into our lesson. I just showed you everything that happened last week because I owe you my explanation of what happened. That is the essence of a teacher. So if I just tell you that this and I did not show you why it did not happen and how I manage it, So what is the essence? Me being a teacher. So that is it. So let us go back to the lesson. So welcome back from the chart. Welcome back from the chart. Why did I do all those analysis? Because I need to end what I start. So right now, let us continue the main lesson of today. So I have talked about what I predicted and all those things. Why? So let us go to the main lesson, my bitter story and the mindset you should have. So let me erase everything. So let us continue. So what kind of mindset you should have as you continue this journey? Number one mindset is, as I'm making all these points, all these points will be making me I will be telling you my bitter story about all these points, because all these points that is in this place is my life story, what happened to me, what I learned, and I will be telling you what brought this lesson, how I learned this lesson through my bitter story. Time is very important factor on this journey. Don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself the required time that is needed. So normally many of us that have this interest, that came into this thing, this trading, is we saw, many of us is either we saw an advert saying that quick money or like getting rich, just trade, easy money, just make money. All of us is to make money, but the thing is, the time that is needed for you to acquire the skill, it's not as quick as you think. It's not as quick as you think. It is like it requires time, just as anything you want to learn require time, and you should not compare yourself with other. That is the time that it will take you to learn this skill with the time that it took others. So you are like unique, like, so that is, it take time. I told you that this year made me 4 years I'm trading this thing. So that is it. And the next point is, it's very easy to be deceived and to be scammed on this part. Be very careful because of the hype in this industry, the hype and the hope that is being sold to you. The hope that is being sold to you, you think that it is easy, so it's just like taking one course, and when you pay for that course, you see that at the end of that course, maybe it might be majority of them might be over nonsense, maybe junk. So that is, at the end, you do not get the value for your money, and majority of those people that sell those courses, majority of them, they are not even trading. They just want to sell the course. Since I'm not getting money from trading, okay, let me get money from presenting hope to these people, and they will pay me. Then maybe that is how I might get money. So many people in this industry don't get their money from trading, but get their money from selling course. So that is it. Don't pursue money first, but knowledge. So since most of us coming into this thing is because of the money, so we discard having knowledge, searching things by ourselves. So that is, so I'm trying to rush, because it is the damn point that I will be telling you my story. So I just want to rush to all these up points. Be proud of your job that pays the bills, and don't hope on trading as the path to make it big. Trading is not a get rich quick, but a slow, it is a vehicle. Okay, let me give you my story about this point. When I got into trading, I learned couple of things, couple of strategy, and I was seeing I was able to get into trade, like say some kind of winning. Then my normal job, I started neglecting my normal job. Maybe I might not go to work, like based on I have my own handwork. I'm the boss of myself. So I started like, do you have chance? No, I don't have chance. I just need to focus on this trade. I need to learn more of this trading. Do you have chance? No, I don't have chance. So gradually I start losing my connection that I've made over the years. You understand? Because when somebody that have job for you call you first time, you tell them you have no chance. Another day you have job, he call you second time, you have no job. Maybe the person might say, chance, okay, let me find someone else. That connection have been cut off. So, and maybe it took you time to build that connection. So I was like neglecting my job. So until when trading was not for giving me what I was expecting to get from trading. So now you see, now I have neglected my connection. Now I'm getting a little job now, and now trading is not giving me the income, and that put pressure on me. You see that is what that is one of the mistakes I did. I neglect my job that pays my bills and hoping that I will make it big. That is a mistake, a big mistake you ever make. Be proud of your job. So that was the number one. So you have seen my story about that. Don't compare yourself with others. It is a sure way to depression. Your process is unique to yourself and personality. So what happened to me? Never in my life I have gotten depressed. Never in my life. It is when I got into trading that I experienced depression. Then I understand why some people just wake up one morning and hang themselves and die. So depression, just like, okay, example, you were learning something for 2 years. 2 years have passed, you are learning something, and then the highest thing you can get is like you are not the money, the okay, even if you are seeing income from that thing, but as you get the income, the market take it back again until it leads to blown accounts. That is, it's just like you are learning something, you learn, you take a course. Then when you go into the life market to execute it is series of losses, and you cannot know why these things that you learn, why you are learning it, you are seeing that yes, it work. Even you try it in a demo account, it worked, but now you get into the life market to make the money, you end up in series of losses. This is my side story that nobody knew about it. So I started comparing myself, looking at people that this guy just is just in this year too, in the first year, and is making money out of it. This one 6 months. So I was like, because of the YouTube, I was so involved in YouTube, like looking at other traders, like trader talking their own story. This took me 6 months. I'm funded now. I've collected this payouts. You see, I was depressed. Why is my own different? Why is my own different? So the thing is, everybody have their way of seeing things. And because of how you see things, it might make your journey long or short. So you are unique. The only thing is, are you taking action every day? Are you getting better? Are you better today? Are you better today than yesterday? So that is all that matters. You see, don't let anyone around you to know you are learning to trade, except they are traders also. There is a short part of self-doubt. The thing is, the mistake I made is letting others to know that I'm trading. The first day, how much have you made? How much have you made? They think that it's like you can just get into the market and the market will handle and you over money to you. Just like they think, how much have you made? It's a bit. You have not made anything. I have still learning this thing for 3 years. You see, self-doubt start coming into it. You see, but so the next one is your increase in knowledge will come only from your failures, not your wins. For the past 4 years now, my development have come from my failures, not from my winning trades. From my failures, not my winning trades. So I also know that after every depression that I face, if I can have that like putting that motivate myself and pick up the shot again after the process of my depression, I found out that a new realm of knowledge is being exposed to me. I don't know how, but that is what happened. So my depression have been when I face depression, it's like very strong. That the only thing that kept me from not doing something rash is I always believe that God is against me harming myself, and harming myself because of I'm depressed will only lead to disapproval of God. So that is what kept me. It is just like that God is seeing me. God knows what I'm going through. God cannot leave me in this mess. That is how I got my confidence. Imagine if I don't have anything anything spiritual that I have open. I just put up on my like I'm not like a Christian. Imagine that. I would have gone and asked myself that my life is, because the depression came because why? I neglected my job. Now my job is not bringing in much income, because my connection, I took my own hand and destroyed most of my connection, because I am putting everything on trading. I want to learn this. I want putting my own time, going full time. You see, that was my biggest mistake that brought depression to me now. You see, and now you see now things are increasing. The cost of things are increasing. Living, the standard of living is getting hard. You see, everything, depression. I have some family members I have to look up. I have to some family members that are looking up to me. You see, all those things brought depression to me. You see why also. But what happened is, after the end of every depression, that I have somebody that's, God will not leave me in this mess. Then I pick up the shot. You see, another like a mystery will be exposed to me. So that is I don't want to talk, but the last one is be open and don't be proud. So this is where I want to you should listen. You should listen well. Be open and don't be proud. Some people think like this is common between the ICT community, people that is learning the ICT and the smart money concepts. This is common among them. When I started, I learned everything I can lay my hands on. All every strategy. I learned everything. Then I got to before I found out about ICT. So I was studying ICT. So after I have known everything, I've gone through all ICT core content. This is several years back when ICT have not even talked about posting those content on its YouTube. That is like 2 years before ICT post all this core content. It was leaked to me. I have access to his mentorship. His like 3 years mentorship was exposed, was linked to me, was linked. Everything I learned everything about ICT core content. All his comments that I have with his student for 3 years, I have them. I watched the video, so I was now like I knew nearly everything about ICT. I was now confident. You know how ICT people do now. They have more confidence. I was confident. Then I also started my own mentorship. I started my own mentorship. You see, it's a 2 months course. People paid. Just have people. Because you know why people paid is that I was able to predict the market every day. I was predicting the market every day. Not even predicting it, I was calling exact the level that the market will reverse, and it was doing it. People were seeing it. I was posting it. That's why people were like, because I started a free mentorship, free mentorship that lasted for 3 months. I was teaching them live. We were on live. Twice a week. Is it? Yes, twice a week. Yeah, is it twice a week? So I have people they was watching. So when they were seeing all this that I was posting, they paid. So they paid. So we were doing it. I was teaching them everything I know. Then after the second month, they studied. They were seeing their progress. But after the second month, something started happening in the market. I was taking series of losses. I will predict. Me that could predict levels. Me that could predict levels that something will happen and it happened. Was not able to take one right trade. I was depressed. That was the first time I was depressed. I was so depressed. So the first I told the student that in that second month, that people that subscribe for the second month, that they should wait. They should we want to take a 1 month break. I was busy. Although I was busy, but in that 1 month I studied and back tested the market, every losses. But what I found out is me that can explain the market, why market do something, because I believe that market goes up for a reason, goes down for a reason, and consolidate for a reason, and I can explain it at the back of my hand. But I was not able to make sense of what price was doing. So when I come back after that 1 month break, I told them that was the end of the lesson. Because why? I was teaching them how to analyze the market by themselves. Not because one thing I hate is teaching somebody to rely on me. I hate it. I like to teach people to rely on themselves and the process that I use. So I told them that okay, the videos are there, because the lessons are there. Let them continue to study. But as a teacher, as a mentor, I owed I owe, like I'm responsible for my student, everything for my student. I'm responsible. I have to like, I'm responsible for their parts, for their sources. You get me? That is how I owe myself responsible for everything. As far as they can pay money to me, they have that trust. So I have to like, I have to do everything, give them value according to their money. It's not big money. If you can, it's not big money. The mentorship was 10,000, but based on, some people say that they don't have that 10,000. Some pay 5,000. Some people pay 3,000. So because the money was not what I was focused on. I was focused on their trust. So I found out that the market was like behaving abnormally, which abnormally, the way I cannot describe it. I cannot make sense of its movements. Because I hold that belief that markets move for a reason. If market move for a reason, why was I not able to explain why it move? So this gives me a sign that something is wrong. So and upon that, it was that period that ICT translated from Forex to futures. So then I was hooked. ICT was still trading Forex. I would have been looking at his video, taking instruction from him, looking at his analysis. But now ICT translated from Forex to futures. Then now I know why ICT translated from Forex to futures, because maybe saw what I was saying. The market was behaving abnormally. Maybe because you cannot say that market behave abnormal the way I cannot explain it. It's that time that it translated to future. I'm not hyping myself. I'm not giving any regard. I'm just saying under probability of what I'm saying might be why it translated that same period. I was finding to analyze the chart and make reason from it so difficult that I'm not saying that, just get me clear. I'm not, it might have a different reason, but that made me hook. So I was watching videos. There was a guy they call Q Banks. This guy is making it big in Forex. Boy, this guy is a billionaire. This guy making it big. Q Banks. So then it was like explaining that it was in an interview. I'm still talking about the point: be open and don't be proud. It was in an interview. I hope you are enjoying the story. I'm not like blabbing around, boring you around. So I'm trying to make a story of this: be open and don't be proud. So he was saying something. Then he talked about the show is like he was talking about his success story. Like, this is not the success story of all those scammers. A success story that have proof, trades, live trades, showing his trades. These are proof. So this guy, then at the end of this interview, they asked him, for a beginner trader, what advice you can give to a beginner trader or a trader that is stuck, that is like confused right now? What do you advise that trader to go and learn? He said, the only thing that I can advise a confused trader now to go and learn is candlestick. So I was like, a candlestick? Okay. Right now I'm confused. Right now I'm confused. Like I see strategies, like I'm confused. The market is like making no sense to me. This is not one loss, two loss, three loss. A loss that made me to blow accounts. I blew my account. The first time I blew my account. Because you know why I say, okay, if you say, okay, the first time you blow the account, for some people it's like, okay, it's normal, you must blow your account while learning. When I'm learning, I did not go to live market. I was trading demo accounts until I was able to predict the market day in and day out. Then I went into a live account. So going to a live account is I have an edge when I migrated from demo to live account. But now this edge is like not making sense to me. So I blew my account. So I refused to be proud, and I was open. Okay, if this guy is making it in the market, okay, candlestick. Normally, the ICT community call candlestick a retail kind of. It is a strategy for retail. The strategy for people that don't know how the market, the algorithm. We say the algorithm trade against candlestick pattern. As far as candlestick pattern is a retail strategy, the algorithm will trade against candlestick pattern. That is what ICT people don't want to hear about candlestick. It's like old strategy that the market is trading against. You cannot make money from it. So I refuse to be proud like the ICT community, like, because I was part of it. I have went through the full mentorship, the leaked video. Everything was leaked to me for free. The only thing I spend money is money to buy subscription and download everything. Everything was leaked to me. This is 2 years before ICT posted all those ICT only posted the core content. What about his day-to-day analysis with his students for 3 years? Is that on YouTube? No. This was also leaked to me. So it was just like I was inside the mentorship too. So I was part of the ICT community. But I was not proud. I was, if some people me that can call the market every day, student, I posted them they see the proof. It's not they see the proof. But I refuse to be proud. Why? Because I owe myself responsible for people that I've convinced that yes, I will show them the way. I will show them the right way to analyze the market. But now I cannot analyze the market. The market makes no sense to me now. What will I teach them? So I owe myself responsible. So I was open-minded that I must learn anything that comes across my way. So I dive into candlestick pattern. This is not watching videos. No. I don't go to YouTube to learn about candlestick pattern. No. What did I do? I went to read the books that people that started trading 30 years ago, 20 years ago, 40 years ago. Not 30 years ago, because there are some books there that is senior to when ICT started trading. ICT started trading 30 years ago, but there are books that was created 30 years from when ICT started trading. So there are books that were 60 years ago, 50 years ago. So those are people that make groundbreaking in the trading industry. People that have mark, that you measure their name in the trading industry, everybody know them. So I went and got those books. I read more than 10 candlestick pattern trading books. More than 10. I read candlestick. I was like inside candlestick pattern. I read everything. Then I got into the market. I started back testing. If it's some people, they will go into the live market, start trading. I started back testing. So back testing, and I find a way like I start because what I learned about candlestick pattern is like it's not how the books taught it. So a knowledge started flowing here and there. My losses, my failures started making me to tweak the candlestick pattern. Because you know what, I was open-minded. Why was I open-minded? Because it was the belief. My belief was right, not wrong. Having wrong belief make you to be proud and like blinded. I have a belief that if a market structure move up, that it break, retest, all those things, if a market move up or down and a strategy could not explain why a market move up or move down, there's something wrong with that strategy. So if the way the books of the candlestick pattern was like describing it, if a move occur and I cannot take that candlestick pattern to explain the I have to tweak something about that candlestick pattern strategy. So that's how I tweak everything like and also believe there's another belief that I have that belief is if a market goes up and a strategy could not up or down not considered and a strategy could not explain why market goes up or go down at that particular move, don't go back and school and show me back market analysis. What is price doing now? Can I explain it? If no, that strategy need a little tweaking, or something is wrong with that strategy, or something is market and each strategy relies on market structure. That is the way that strategy explain market structure is wrong. You understand me? It's wrong. So you need to tweak that strategy in order to explain the market structure in a different way. Right now, my market structure high might not be your same market structure high. My market structure low might not be your market structure low. Why? Because of I have to tweak it. I have to tweak my market, how I read my market structure. You understand me? And again, if a market change, if a change occur, that market cycle changes, there's something we call market cycle. A different market cycle occur and the strategy cannot adapt into a different market cycle, then that strategy is totally wrong. Because a market cycle change is also dependent on market structure, and the market structure should explain a market cycle, a change in market cycle. If the way you read market structure cannot change with the market cycle, then there is a problem. You get me? So that is it. That is my two belief. My two belief. So that my two belief made me to be open-minded. So all this explanation, I know we are this video have been long now. So if you know that you cannot give your time, you cannot be open-minded, you cannot do all these things, don't just start. Just quit. There's one thing that I say in my side, say, if you're not good for your brain, quit. you get me. So quit. Don't waste your time on what you cannot end. Don't start what you cannot end, what you cannot finish. Because it has taken me 4 years. It has taken me 4 years. And the video you see about my trades, these are live trades. It's not that after 4 years I can read the market structure differently, and it makes sense to me now. You understand? That's why my market structure high cannot be your market structure high, might not be your market structure high. My market structure low cannot be your market structure low. The way candlestick pattern paste out their draw their levels might be different. It's different from how I put my levels. So that is it about be open-minded and don't be proud. This is now everybody's studying ICT and SMC. This made them to like be, I don't know, they are so close-minded. You see a ICT member tell you a candlestick pattern that a candlestick person that trade the candlestick pattern. You say your pattern is stupid and we say the market trade against it. The candlestick pattern person will say that there's nothing like algorithm like, but they refuse to know. The truth is that ICT is a half part, candlestick is a half part. Bringing ICT and candlestick into together and make the strategy a whole. Well, I don't want to talk into that, but that is what I found out in my 4 years about my error and trial and all those things, my depression and all those things, all those failures and all those things. So that is it. That is it for this. That is everything. That is that is the truth you have to say. So let us continue. I know that this lesson. So the bonus time for the bonus. So I have two bonus here. I have two bonus here. I have two bonus. This one and this one. So the thing is, this one is like basic for beginners. If you really need, this is basic for beginners, and this one is like somehow they add more advances for beginners. They have indicators. They talk about more things in the technical part of this book. They talk about, they explain all the indicators, like okay, most of the commonly used indicators. So the thing is, if you want this book, you have to like in a PDF format. You want me to send this, whether both of them or any of them, you have to reach me on Telegram on at FS Pressure with a screenshot of your YouTube proving that you are subscribed. You know that when you click at my channel in the YouTube, in the down where they put subscribe, it will show subscribed or you have not subscribed. So give me the screenshot of that, send it to me on at FS Pressure on Telegram. So that is the end of the day. So we will soon be starting forex trading for intermediate. So we will be talking about more intermediate, more topic like time frame selection. Which time frame should you be trading? Which time frame should you? Some people say it is 15 minutes, some people say 5 minutes, some people say 1 hour, some people say daily, some people 4 hours, some people say 1 minute. But what time frame should you be trading? How should you be time frame? We talk about swing points, market social, all those things. So will be included in the intermediate. So if you know that all this might talk around, people don't like to subscribe. I know that people don't like to subscribe because I'm not showing that okay, flip this one 0 to 1. This are just scam. These are just no. It had no value to you. This is what I've add value to you. The truth add value to you. So that will be all for this video. Peace. See you in the intermediate trading course. So I will start, but not instantly. I might not start instantly. I might give a gap, a space before I start the intermediate trading course. So if you like, because I don't care at this time. I don't care if people subscribe or they don't subscribe. Why I started this trading courses, many times I see people come up to me that don't know anything about trading, say I want to start to trade, can you teach me, or can you refer to me a course? I have not seen any like comprehensive course, step-by-step course for beginners. Like it's just like post this what is like trending now is my funded accounts. I flip this one to this one. This my just like what then happen to people that are just beginning. So I just want to have a channel that contain course that anybody that's okay, I'm just starting, or I'm finding social topic difficult. Okay, go to this channel, you will see, just search the topic you are looking for, you will see something about that. So that the kind of channel I want to create. So at this moment, I don't care if you subscribe or you don't subscribe. I just don't care. I'm creating this channel for my own personal reason now. So please see you subscribe, don't subscribe. So please see you next